Hey, you. Hey there, Rowdy. Can I interview you? Rowdy, can I interview you?
I guess.
What's your opinion on the Joe Biden and Trump debate? Who do you think won? Okay.
I don't know.
What's your opinion on the LGBTQ
Hey, guys.
community? What's your opinion that all the immigrants are crossing the border right now and flooding in and stealing black jobs?
Guys, friend.
What's your opinion on
Follow
that?
me, friend. I'm building a secret hideout.
What's your opinion
I
on-
don't know. Wanna go to my
What's your
secret
opinion on
hideout?
Project 2025? It's planning on deporting 11 million people.
Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
That is really good in my opinion, too. Oh my god.